Hello everyone, let's talk about cultural barriers in public health campaigns. Let's take a case of COVID-19. Introduction. Culture shapes how people understand health, trust, inform, and respond to public messages. In Kenya, public health campaigns often clash within cultural beliefs, traditions, and language. This feature explores how culture influences public interest in health communication and why ignoring culture can cause even well-intended. Under that, let us define public relation issue at COVID-19. Public relation in this feature is the failure of public health communication to effectively reach and influence audiences due to cultural differences. Many health campaigns and designs using one-size-fits-all approach, often ignoring local briefs, languages, traditions, and social behavior, traditions and norms. As a result, messages intended to inform or change behavior may be misunderstood, mistreated, or completely rejected by the target audiences. Also, under definition of PR issue, we can have also some local sign, some local market. Yeah. Under the PR issue, we can also say that public relations in health focuses on building trust, changing behavior, and maintaining credibility. However, when messages are designed without cultural sensitivity, such as ignoring language, gender norms, or tradition beliefs, audiences may reject them. Number 3, let's look at cultural context and COVID-19 as a barrier. Okay, under cultural context, we will look at the key points where we have the roles of elders and community leaders. We'll have language barriers, maybe English or local language. We will have cultural belief about illness and medicine, gender roles affecting health decisions. In many communities, health decisions are influenced by elders or cultural norms rather than official government communication. This creates a public relation challenge when campaigns rely on the posters or social media platforms. Under it, we will also look at the roles of elders and community leaders. Yeah. So, elders play a crucial role in shaping beliefs, behavior, and communication within many communities. They are widely respected as custodians of culture. In PR, elders and community leaders act as they are the key leaders. Messages delivered or endorsed by them are viewed as trustworthy and legitimate. Yeah, messages delivered by the elders are trustworthy. Also, elders also serve as cultural interpreters. This means that these leaders can help translate messages into culturally appropriate language. They can translate language, or they can translate them into symbols, and also examples that the community can understood better about the cultural context on barriers, yeah, on barriers or on COVID-19. Yeah. In culturally grounded communities, effective public relation begins with the engagement of the leaders and communities, not just distributing messages. Also, number 4, we will look at public relation analysis and solutions. Under public analysis, we will see that public must adopt messages to culture, also use local languages, engage cultural gatekeepers, or a two-way communication. Also, effective public relation respect culture. This means that when PR campaigns align with cultural values, they build trust, improve understanding, and achieve lasting impact. Yeah, that is under public relation analysis and solutions. Those can be the solutions that can be used to solve some problems under COVID-19 case. After looking at the cultural barriers in public campaign, in health campaigns, we can conclude that culture is not a barrier. Yeah, it is a bridge. For public relations to succeed, especially in public health, communication must begin where the people are. So, after looking at all the 4 contexts in barriers in health campaigns, we can conclude that. So, that was all about barriers which we majorly deal with under COVID-19. Okay, thanks for watching. It was Cynthia Atieno.